So here at the Freescale Technology Forum, did you launch new sensors?
Yeah, today in fact was a great day for us because we launched our new altimeter, extremely accurate with 30 centimeter of accuracy, and especially designed with a low power application and a lot of embedded functions which enable to have an easy adoption of this kind of altimeter for navigation, location-based services. It also can be used as a pressure sensor for a very accurate application for medical and industrial.
Does that mean that future smartphones are going to know how high they are?
Definitely, they will know how high you will be. They can differentiate on which floor you are in when you do some indoor navigation. They can also give you barometric information about the weather forecast. They can give you accurate temperatures as well. So all of this in one sample, one chip. So it's going to be more sensors, giving, we say, one more information about your environment, about what you are doing, and about your navigation. So if you combine this with other sensors like accelerometer and magnetometer, you can also use a gyroscope to get a complete inertial navigation system, which helps you to have a more accurate navigation, more accurate positioning for indoor navigation and also outdoor navigation.
So when you buy, if you buy an IMX, you can get the sensors included, or you can take the sensors and put them on any other chip as well?
We are providing exactly this both type of business model where we can provide a complete platform like the Sabre 2, where we have our platform with a magnetometer, aerodynamics 53 and accelerometer, or we can provide all the chipsets to other type of platform, mobile phone platform or other type of application processor. Yeah.
So a sensor is each of these sensors are a chip by themselves or kind of like combined? Where does the fusion happen? Is that only software or where is the fusion?
This fusion can happen at different levels. The first level is definitely an application processor where you have a fusion which is happening at a software level. Right? The software is just taking care of the basic data from different sensors and combining this together. However, to be very efficient, and it's what we call the asymmetric processing, you need to have some kind of small microcontroller which are able to combine this sensor at a, we say, low to medium level with macro command filtering, for instance, and provide aggregated data to the main application processor. And it's where you can save more than 90% of power consumption compared to the classical approach. So this is the way to go for efficient system. However, there is no, I would say, there's no one solution for everything, so it's why we are providing a discrete solution with aggregation of the sensor data at an apps processor and outside the apps processor as well.
So at FTF 2010, the Fusion was launched, and is it in products now? How does it work?
2011 is happening because you saw behind we have already complete product where we do already a fusion between accelerometer and a magnetometer for an e-compass, and we're already doing this outside an application processor or inside an application processor. So now we are effectively executing what we announced last year at FTF.
Does that mean smoother augmented reality? When you turn the phone, it just reacts much faster, stuff like that?
It can react much faster because if you do this processing and the fusion, data fusion at the sensor level, you save a lot of time. You can really do some real-time type of application, and on top of that, you have lower power consumption and an easier way to use the sensor fusion. Since we provide already aggregated data, applications are easier to be developed thanks to this.
Sensors is called MEMS, right? What do you call it?
MEMS is in fact a macro mechanical structure which are used to build sensors. So most of our sensors are MEMS, like pressure sensor, accelerometer, the gyroscope are MEMS as well. However, we have also non-MEMS sensor like magnetometer, which is still silicon kind of magnetometer sensors, but we cannot call them MEMS because nothing is moving.
It's a very, very big market, right? It's lots of billions of dollars.
And,
how big is it going to be?
It's 9 billion sensors in 2009. And is going to increase by more than 50%.
9 billion
9
sensors.
Billion sensors, yes. It means that it's more than a couple of sensors per phones, because today you have about 1 billion phones on the market, and you have many other markets beyond this kind of phones, like gaming, like automotive, medical, and also wireless.
So are there phones right now on the market with Fusion?
Yes,
Or
but
not
most of
yet?
the fusion is done in the apps processor, not at
The extra microcontroller.
Yes, not yet.
So how soon?
It's pretty soon.
Pretty
Just
soon?
Stay tuned.
The next big phones, smartphones might have it.
Yes, definitely.
All right.